I'm Dr. Anthony Mack, and today we're here at my practice, W Dental. Today I'll be sharing with you a case that I was able to give my patient her smile back.
My teeth were misshapen, out of place, and they were also badly broken. There was decay, but mostly my problems were that my whole lower jaw had collapsed through breakage of the teeth.
When I first saw the patient, she really was struggling with her ability to chew. You know, she has looked after her teeth well, but her teeth were failing her. She had lost her occlusion. She was no longer able to chew because she had lost all her posterior support. And because of this led to a lack of restorative space for her lower posterior area. And also, this led to the deterioration of her anterior dentition. Aesthetics was a concern for our patient, and she wanted desperately to improve her smile. The plan for our patient was we were going to do a full mouth rehabilitation for her. We were going to change, correct, and improve her occlusal scheme and give her an aesthetically pleasing outcome. To do this, we decided on a lower full arch implant prosthesis on 6 implants, using a fully guided surgical protocol with immediate extractions, immediate implant placement, and temporization protocol to the new occlusal scheme. This would marry to an upper full arch of new ceramic restoration to improve her smile. The most important thing is we wanted to do this using a fully digital protocol where we were able to verify our data, and throughout the whole process, no impressions were taken or necessary. Wow, what a challenge. Our patient was so excited about the plan, and this was her journey. When it came to the reconstruction phase, we wanted to push the boundaries a little bit more and also give this patient restoration that enhances the natural tooth structure that nature has given us. And with that, I partnered up with my good friend, Dr. Javier Tapia from Spain.
We developed this special technique for digitally sculpting the fine detail on the surface texture and then transferring this via 3D printing into monolithic restoration that had been pressed. And this is a technique that can provide a very high and accurate details to your monolithic restorations.
The results are truly amazing for our patient, and the ability with modern technology to simplify the process has really been astounding.
I was so excited. I couldn't believe that was my mouth. I couldn't believe that was my teeth. I couldn't believe I could smile. It was wonderful. Just a really, truly wonderful moment.
I have to thank my team who supported me throughout this process, but most importantly, I want to thank Dr. Javier Tapia from Spain, my good friend, who flew over from Spain to do this case together with me and just take technology and ability for us to recreate nature to another level. And I have to thank our master ceramist, Bradley Grobler from New Zealand, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this case.